This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to disable timeline emails from Google Maps. If you're finding those regular timeline emails from Google Maps more of a nuisance than a help, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of turning them off. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage these notifications, ensuring your inbox stays clutter-free. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to maps.google.com. This is the starting point for accessing your Google Maps settings. Once the page is loaded, look towards the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu or hamburger icon. Click on these lines to open the main menu. This menu provides you with a variety of options related to Google Maps, but today we're focusing on your timeline settings. Next, from the menu, you'll want to click on the option labeled Your Timeline. This is where Google Maps keeps track of your past locations and journeys. It's a useful feature for those who enjoy revisiting their travel history, but it can also lead to those unwanted timeline emails. By accessing this section, we're getting closer to where you can manage your timeline settings. Once you're in the timeline section, look for the Activity Controls option and click on it. This area gives you control over what Google saves about your activity, including your location history, web activity, and more. It's a central hub for managing your privacy settings across Google services. Now, scroll through the Activity Controls page until you locate the section related to your timeline. This is where Google outlines the specifics of your timeline activity, including those email notifications. Often, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section to understand the full extent of what's being tracked. Finally, you'll see an option to turn off timeline notifications. Simply click Turn Off to disable these emails. By doing this, you've instructed Google Maps to stop sending those periodic updates about your location history. It's a small adjustment, but one that can significantly reduce the number of emails you receive, giving you a bit more peace of mind and a cleaner inbox. And that's it. You've successfully disabled timeline emails from Google Maps. Remember, these settings can be adjusted at any time. So if you decide later on that you'd like to receive those emails again, you can always revisit this process and turn them back on. Managing your Google Maps notifications is a simple yet effective way to take control of your digital experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing for more quick and easy tech tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.